Hi everyone, super excited to show you the new eMACROS driveway alarm. This alarm system has a range of 1/2 mile and we're just excited. We live out in the country. We don't have a clean line of sight to our driveway. So this alarm system is going to help us out tremendously. eMACROS sent this to us. This is the HS-006W. Like I said, it also has a phone app on it, and so you can connect your phone. But the nice thing about it, this is all wireless. You have a solar panel on top of the transmitter. You just peel this off, and it will maintain the battery. I've already charged the battery via the C port on the bottom cover. You just peel that back, it's waterproof. And then you also just set out your channels, what channel you're going to set it to, and that will correspond with the receiver itself. It's got a really nice lamp mounting plate. It's got 2 screw holes that you can mount to a 4x4 or whatever mounting surface you're going to be going to. And then it also has this pivotable mounting plate. So on the back of it, you just put on the nut here, pop the mounting plate onto the transmitter, and then you can rotate it left, right, up and down. Depends on where you want it to actually be detecting at and for any traffic coming in. It also comes with power cord and then the instructions as well. All right, as you can see, we have a fairly long driveway. I'm just going to mount the transmitter to this 4x4 that we have a little sign on, and for any traffic that comes up the driveway, it'll detect it inside and will notify us. Okay, so the mounting, like I said, is very simple. You have your base here. We're just going to screw that on down here. Then I'm going to remove the nut that's on it and just place that on the back of the unit itself, and then just pop it in place, just like so. Then I'll tighten up that nut, and that'll squeeze down on the pivoting ball so that anything that's coming around this level, it will detect it and will notify us inside. And before we do that, we're going to go ahead and just remove that film. That will go ahead and expose the solar panel that's on it. And I'm going to just put it upside down, make sure we're on channel 1, which we are, and it's going to be on high, low, or off. I'm going to put it to low, and so that will set the sensitivity down a little bit lower. If I need to, I can switch that to high, and we'll just put that back in place and go connect the other one. All right, so now it's time to hook up the receiver. And that's just going to be this cord. You're going to use the AC on that. That's got a standard C adapter as well. On the side of the unit, you'll have a power and a pair. That way you can pair it up to your phone, but you also have the power on. On the other side, you have the music chime and the volume. Okay, so now that we have it powered up, and we're going to go ahead and hit the music button that's on the side here. It'll give us different tones, and we have it to number 1, and that is what is set on the transmitter as well. We're going to go to volume. You can see that got a lot less. Okay, so once you add the device, you will have a little icon come up, added successfully. You also notice the blinking red light on the receiver will turn blue. So once that's done, it's all done, and you are connected, and it's ready to roll. All right, there you have it, the eMACROS HS-006W driveway alarm system, and that is also able to connect that up with your Wi-Fi or your phone. So there you have it. We thank eMACROS for sending us this unit, and we just appreciate it, and we're going to put it to good use in the future.